How to transfer money from Cash App to Chime. First, open up your Cash App, look at the top right corner of your screen, and tap on your profile icon. Next, just scroll down a little bit until you see Linked Banks and give that a tap. Now, instead of linking a debit card, we want to link the actual bank account. So tap on Link Debit Card first, but then look down at the bottom left corner and select No Card. This is going to bring up a secure plaid screen to connect your bank safely. Just hit that green Continue button at the bottom. Now, go ahead and type Chime into the search bar at the top and tap on the Chime logo when it pops up. From here, just log into your Chime account by entering your Chime email address and password, then hit Submit. Once it verifies, you'll see a success screen saying your bank is linked. Just tap Done at the bottom, and we are good to go. All right, now let's actually move the money. Head back out to your Cash App home screen. Tap on your cash balance in the bottom left corner. Next, look up at the top right and tap Cash Out. Type in the exact amount you want to transfer over to Chime, and then just hit that big green Cash Out button at the bottom. And that's literally it. You can choose Instant if you need it right away for a small fee, or Standard to get it for free in a couple of days. If you also want to learn how to seamlessly send money to someone else using Cash App, click right here to watch that video next. Thanks for watching, and see ya!